フリカ行きます。アフリカエリアを行ってみましょう。
行ってみましょう。
ねえ。ね。
なんかちらほらいいよ。
あ、これあの列じゃない？
いいよ。キリマンジャロサファリ。
うん。
じゃあもうめっちゃ並んでる
かな、タスカーハウスの列かな。やっぱそうだよ。並ぼう並ぼう。
ね、赤ちゃんだけどするよ。ホテル
生まれたのかもしれない。
ホテルで。
あ、鳥が。あ、ここでもなんかやるんだ。
本当だ。
ねえ。ほら、キキって言ってんね。
いっぱいいる。
あ、ライオンキングの売ってますよ。
あ、かわいい。
おすすめね。
素敵。
ねえ。いいですね。入ります。キリマンジャロサファリです。6時45分までです。
そうなんだ。終わるの早いんだよね。
ゾウさん、キリンさん、ライオンさんがいます。ゼブラさん、サイさんもいます。と、カバさんとチーターとダチョウ。サファリブッキングオフィスだ。ここでサファリツアーに参加しますよって。ほら。ね、出てきた。ね、お威嚇してるのかしら。あ、すごいすごい。いっぱいいますよ。どうですか？
どうですか？キリマンジャロですよ、今から。
楽しみだね。
楽しみだね。何が見れるんだろう。
何見れるかね。
ライオンさんとか。
ライオンさんとかいるかしらね。
いるかしら。
涼しいからみんな元気かもね。
ね、そうだよね。
来ましたよ。でか。あ、一番乗りです。
Hope you like those seats you're sitting in because that's where you'll be for our next 2 weeks together. And once we get going, there is no more standing, seat switching, or child swapping.
乗り込みました。一番前です。
Friends, Twin Day. Twin Day means let's go.
Let's go.
Ciao, friends. Good morning. My name is Macy. I'll be your safari guide today throughout the Harambe Wildlife Reserve.
何かいるでしょうか。
こっちにも何かあるよ。
Now we are entering the black rhino territory. Looks like I see one in the back. And then maybe coming up here on the left a little bit closer, still enjoying his morning breakfast. Black rhinos are solitary creatures, which means that they do like to hang out by themselves and they can shy away and hide pretty often. Now, if you want to see them a little bit better or spend some more time with them than we get to spend here at safaris, there's actually a hippo pool viewing window over at Gorilla Falls where you can see them swim underneath that water and do their thing. And it looks like we've reached that crocodile bridge with those Nile crocodile down there. Crocodiles do eat up to 50% of their body weight at one time because they actually only need to eat once a week. A good way you can tell
すごいす
Now
ご
on
い。
the
ほらほ
back
らほら
left are the sables,
これなんだろう。
which are very important to us because they are the
Wow.
emblem of the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. But a little bit closer to us here, these are the Ankole cattle. Now there are 3 females and 1 male. He's only been here with us about a month. About 4 months or so. He's going to be the nice dark chocolate brown one all the way in the back over there by the other female with the white coloring. They are the tallest standing land mammals in the entire world, sitting between 20 to 25 foot tall. And their tongues are going to be anywhere between 18 to 20 inches long.
あ、
見える？
渡ってるよ。
ねえ、かわいい。ご飯食べてる。うん、この子多分ちょっとちっちゃいかも。
Now this is what we call a giraffic jam.
今渡ってます、キリンさんが。
すごいすごい。
キリンさん待ち。
Now those spots are completely unique to them, almost like a fingerprint would be to us. And they're also one of the only animals in the world that can see colors. They only need 30 minutes of sleep in an entire 24-hour period. And then we'll have another Maasai giraffe getting nice and close to us here. So I'll let you get your pictures of them real quick. And then we'll talk about those Hartman's Mountain zebras.
本物。もちろん。すごい。
Now those zebras back there, this is very true. They can pretty much remember things all the way back to birth.
あー、すごいすごい。
Elephants can flap their ears for a variety of reasons. One way is just to keep themselves cool, but if you already see they've got that mud on their back and they're flapping those ears, that probably doesn't mean that they are cooling themselves off. That probably means they're expressing some kind of excitement or joy. It means those elephants are happy. Now, pink-toned friend around this corner, I think you'll recognize. These are going to be the greater flamingos. Just definitely means they're probably at least under 2 years old.
ほら、キャストさんが。
And a group of flamingo, that is called a flamboyance. Now continuing into big cat territory.
ライオンさんいますよ。
If you listen, he's actually roaring right now. That is the male lion.
見えますか？
あ、今お叫び上げた。
おおって言ってる。
ほら、
If you want to look at those two.
すごいすごい。
うわすごいすごい。
All right, now that is our one and only male lion friend here. I usually say this is probably the best time to come ride safaris, especially if you want to see these lions. They actually sleep 90% of the day, so he's actually getting ready to lay down for the day, and then he'll be sleeping and won't wake up again until probably about 5 this afternoon. Their roar can be heard from up to 6 miles away. He's got all that long, luscious hair. That's called his mane. Helps him look bigger, badder, and better if any of those challenging predators come along while he's back protecting his family. Speaking of his family, looks like the 2 females up there.
すごい。わ
I hope we all got to learn something new today. Maybe see some friends we've never seen before. Maybe hear that lion roar for the first time. Can go home, share your videos and pictures or anything if you've got those for your friends and family. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day here in Disney's Animal Kingdom. Friends on the right-hand side, watch those hands, arms, feet, legs. Those doors are sliding open. Watch your head, watch your step, and have a great rest of your day.
すごかった
ー。
ね。
ねえ。Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
すんごいいろいろ見れたね。
すごかったね。
いや、今までで一番ちゃんと見れたいろいろ。
やっぱ朝一は涼しいからいい
うん、
ですか。
いや今日本当涼しい日だったからよかったよ。
いやー楽しかった。
ねよかったね。
こんなにいっぱいの動物を。
ねえ。あ、ここがゴリラフォールですね。行こう。ゴリラフォールでね、動物さんたちはね。あ、ほら。あ、いるよ。おはよう。おはよう。3匹いる。
本当に。
あ、オカピー目の前にいるやん。ほらほら、キリンとオカピーは似てますよっ
あ、似
て。
てますよ。
身長が違いますよ。でも食べ方は一緒だよ。ほらほら、食べてる。すごいね。あ、こっち見て。あ、鳥の鳴き声よ。あ、すごいすごい。
お魚も
ほらいっぱいいる。あ、ここが大きなバードケージになってんだ。ほらほら、あ、いるよ。
They enjoy it. They'll actually solicit this behavior from the fish. It's also like exactly what would be happening out in the wild as well.
すんごい魚が
すごい集まってる。
向こうでみんな見てるよ。あ、ゴリラさんかな。
Yeah, she's 24. She's a doctor. You can't have sweet and low anymore, mother. Especially Jenny.
That's good.
What kind of birds are out there?
That might be the morning doves.
あ、ほらほらほら。あら、乗ったよ。
Yeah, that's easier.
かわいい。いいね。
いいね、なんかいいよ本当に。
なんかただのテーマパークじゃなくてさ、こういうさね、動物が見れたりとかね。